OpenAI has unveiled the two AI models. It's O3 and O4-mini. And they say these are the smartest and most capable models to data with full tool access now. That's what they're highlighting. But let's go to the key highlights of these two models. So O3 is most powerful reasoning model to date as per OpenAI, and it's excel in couple of complex tasks across the coding, mathematics, science, and visual perception. It demonstrated the improved instruction based useful. It means, right, it has a reinforcement capabilities, and its course and it's defined its own workflows and utilize those tools. And Mini is more smaller and cost efficient one. They focus more on to the speed and high throughput of the TOS. Despite its size, it even it's achieved remarkable kind of a performance code and max coding and supporting with higher volume application. So if you are wanted to have a lesser latency in your AI-based application, and it has to give it a faster responsible, then o4-mini is the best choice for it. And let's see how it's going to thinking capabilities. In a basketball match, they wanted to analyze and visual analyze how the strategy which they needs to be applied to here, and it started analyzing that. It's come up and giving those the information into detailed graphical way. It's representing to and what kind of sentiment strategies it needs to be used when the scoring ones. And if we go back here, the two integration is being wider now. So they started utilizing autonomously different suites of the tools, which is like Python coded execution, web browsing capabilities, image and file analysis. So it means it's not only interacting with the images and a bunch of huge files as well, and canvas for visual task and autonomous in kind of files search capabilities. It can be integrated to your Google Drive and try to search for the files for you, and has a memory feature capabilities to run. And it's performed pretty well into the max competitions one. If you see the scoring, it's pretty high, and it has a PhD level of scientific questioning, answering capabilities. O1, o3-mini, and O3 with no tools. That kind of significant 81. It's trying to comes to the AGI capabilities, and it's done at coding accuracy as well, and it has a function calling capabilities within that. So they continuing the scale of reinforcement learning. They understand the usage of agent to agent communication is going to be more significant in coming era of agentic one. So they started utilize agentic communication, which means more compute is better performance. It's gonna comes to it, and it's interacting with the images and files, and it has a visual reasoning capabilities. What that is means, right? It has the advanced model ability to think with the images. So whenever you give them the images, it's understand the image context, and it's trying to interact with the image, and it can zoom in, zoom out, and it might remove those blurry kind of images and everything. So it's pretty good in terms of the ones. And to comes to the access and availability, the both the ones are available into the Chat GPT Plus, and it can start it straight away. Can start it with the enterprise usage as well. And when it comes to the cost, O-mini is significantly higher in terms of the cost versus performance wise, and O-mini as mini is going to be medium in terms of with the no tool capabilities. But I feel that they have done pretty good job in terms of the O3 and the mini, because o4-mini, because this is I started interacting with it. It's done fair good because it automatically understands the web content and giving the better responses to it. And with the HLE test, O3 and O4 is done pretty good in terms of Gemini 2.5 in my earlier videos. I hope this you guys like it, and please subscribe for more. video contents. Thank you.